Good afternoon. My name is Christine Cruz and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City. This briefing will provide an update about a winter storm that will impact much of Utah and extreme southwest Wyoming Monday into Tuesday. The briefing will last about 3 minutes. A winter storm will impact much of Utah and extreme southwestern Wyoming Monday into Tuesday. Travel will be heavily impacted by this long duration storm nearly statewide. For the Monday morning commute, expect winter driving conditions for most valley locations, including much of the Wasatch Front. The only exception will be the Salt Lake Valley, which may not see much of an impact until later in the Monday morning commute. With snow continuing through Tuesday evening, the Monday evening and Tuesday morning commute will also be heavily impacted. If you plan on traveling Monday through Tuesday, plan ahead and allow extra time to get to your destination. Another impact from the storm will be accumulating snow above 3,500 feet for Utah's Dixie, primarily Monday morning. This will include I-15 north of Hurricane. One of the bigger questions is how much snow can be expected with this storm. This map shows the expected snow totals from early Monday through Tuesday evening across Utah. For the northern Utah mountains, expect 10 to 20 inches. For the northern valleys, including the Wasatch Front and the Cache Valley, expect 3 to 5 inches valley floors and 5 to 10 inches benches. For the southwestern valleys, including Cedar City and Delta, expect 4 to 8 inches for the Interstate 15 corridor area, with 3 to 5 inches elsewhere, and across the southern mountains, expect 7 to 15 inches. Winter driving conditions are expected nearly statewide Monday into Tuesday. Remember to allow plenty of time to get to your destinations. Know before you go. Check UDOT's road weather page at the UR listed on the slide. And if you're planning any travel, continue to monitor forecast for updated information. In summary, for the Salt Lake Valley, conditions may deteriorate toward the end of the Monday AM commute. Expect significant impacts to the Monday PM and Tuesday AM commute for the Salt Lake Valley. For the remainder of the western valleys of Utah, expect significant impacts to the Monday AM, Monday PM, and Tuesday AM commutes, with winter driving conditions expected through the period. Plan ahead, slow down, and remember winter driving rules. Accumulating snow is also expected above 3,500 feet for Utah's Dixie, primarily Monday morning, including I-15 north of Hurricane. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Have a great day.